Cherimoya taste test. Cherimoya is such a delicious, solid, whole food to consume to break your fast. Mother Nature has blessed us. Nature's medicine. And it tastes like fruit ice cream. And it feels like porridge to me. It feels whole and complete. It's about midday. I have hydrated my body, offered myself nourishing liquids and libations, and it is now time to feed the vessel. Every day when you rise, after you've had your water, your H3O2, you've had your herbal teas and perhaps tonics, whole fruit is a great go-to first solid meal to break your intermittent liquid fasting. After you have rested all night and essentially fasted, we must take it slow, easing into the day, offering your digestive system grace and space and time to release and cleanse, ensuring that we hydrate and then dive in to our delicious food as medicine. I like to mono meal fruits that are in season. For example, during the summer, having a big bowl of seeded watermelon to hydrate, nourish, and keep cool. You may also mono meal other melons like cantaloupe or honeydew. Mono meal citrus fruits, pears, apples, avocados, grapes, berries, mangoes, cherries. This is ancestral, sitting and dancing and holding space outside with Mother Nature, grounding with the earth, and eating her fruits. This is the way of the ancestors. This is the way of the past, which is the way of the future. Communing
Fruit
with
is like a song.
and depending on
Food is like good music.
Mother Nature. All of these fruits will help to keep your gut balanced, colon cleansed, and womb nourished.
This was exactly what I needed. I knew I needed this, but I didn't really know I needed this until I really took that first bite.
Focusing on eating one fruit, especially as your first solid meal, can help to kickstart your digestive organs after fasting and resting all night long. This also gives you the opportunity to grow a deeper appreciation for that particular food and gratitude. Gratitude itself.
It's like fruit ice cream. This is my first meal of the day. I've been on all liquids, cold pressed juices.
Gratitude itself is medicine. After you've had your fruit, get into some of these recipes.
This is so good.
That electrify you with food as medicine. Eat your colors. Commune with Mother Nature's fruits.
It's like a heart. Love from Mother Nature. Love from the goddess, the mother. Love. Just delicious. Her fruits.
Cook with love. Live in love. Honor love. Be love.
good.